How to sign in to Home Depot credit card. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily log into your Home Depot credit card online. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to quickly hit the like, share and subscribe button on this video. On that note, let's get right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open up any web browser you have. Right now I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any one that is of your preference. Now on the search bar, you're just going to search for Home Depot credit card login. And once you do that, you will find different links right here. I suggest you find the correct one, which is this one, homedepot.com. because there might be potential scam related to this. So you will have to be very careful while dealing with these kind of stuff. Now, once you open up this website, this is the official website for Home Depot. All you have to do here is now on the top right corner, you will see different icons like shop, all services, DIY, and then login. Click on the login option, and here you will get two options. If you already have an account, you can directly sign in and it will take you to the sign-in portal where you'll have to enter your email address and then your password. But if you are new here, you can always register for a new account. So if you click on it, you just have to follow the on-screen instruction to register a new account for Home Depot. Here, just enter a valid email address. And then once you enter your email address, you will just have to click on continue and then enter your password. So that's how you easily log into Home Depot. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.